Hey, what's up everyone? Share ko lang, meron kasi ako nabasa. Sabi doon, Jesus takes personally how you treat His people. Then bigla ko naalala yung isa sa mga interview ni Tony G. Sabi niya na Jesus heard the conversation about you, whether it is good or bad. So in that case, Jesus saw how you talk bad to other people too. Jesus knows our intentions. He knows our hidden agendas. He knows yung mga bagay na iniisip natin behind our thoughts. He really knows how exactly we treat His people. And remember that He died on the cross of Calvary for that person, for that people. Kaya this is a reminder to each and every one of us to be more kinder to His people. Kahit pa nandyan sila o wala sila dyan, patuloy na i-desire natin na maging positibo lang, mag-isip ng mas maganda pang sasabihin para sa mga tao. Kasi He knows exactly what we are saying behind the back of those people. Tayo, pantay-pantay tayo sa Lord. And kapag mahal ka niya, mahal niya rin sila kahit sa tingin mo pa ay hindi sila kamahal-mahal. Hopefully, ay na-remind kayo, gaya ko, na mas tingnan yung mas maganda pa sa ibang tao. So, God bless everyone. Jesus loves you.